In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on your Scion XB. This is going to be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. Remove the hubcap. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm socket, remove the caliper bolts. Crack them both free first. Remove the caliper. Put it somewhere where there's going to be no tension hanging on the brake hose. Using a 14mm socket, remove the caliper bolts. Remove the caliper bracket and remove the rotor. We're going to push our caliper back now using a special tool. We're going to screw it in. Get the caliper fully pushed back. Using a wire brush, clean the hub. Get it all nice and shiny. I'm going to apply a bit of Never Seez around my hub. Install the rotor backwards. Use some brake parts cleaner, spray down the rotor. Using a clean rag, wipe the face. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the brake pads out of the bracket. Remove the tins. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Remove the slide pins. Do this one at a time. Using a clean rag, clean them off. Using some silicone paste, we're going to put it on our slide pin. Just a nice skim coat. Install it into the bracket. Make sure it moves freely. Repeat the same process on the other pin. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean where our tins are going to sit. Do the same thing on the other side. Use some silicone paste and paint where the tins are going to sit. Do this on both sides. Install the tins into the bracket. Make sure they're fully seated. Do this on both sides. Install the brake pad into the bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that the pad with the wear indicator is on the inside. Install the caliper bracket. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bolts to 42 foot-pounds. Install the caliper. Install the caliper bolts. Torque the bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 79 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.